Which handheld bidet sprayer is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Arofa Handheld Bidet Sprayer. First up is the Arofa Handheld Bidet Sprayer. This 2-pack sprayer is priced at $48.99, and its brushed nickel finish caught my eye right away. If you want a reliable and hygienic cleaning solution, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Arofa sprayer has a flow rate of 1.2 gallons per minute and offers adjustable water pressure. This means you can easily switch from a gentle spray for a quick clean to a stronger jet for more thorough rinsing. Plus, it's versatile enough for cloth diaper washing or even pet cleaning, making it a practical addition for families. With over 1,500 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, it's clear many people love it. Now, some people complained about the installation being tricky. But here's the thing, most found it straightforward with the provided instructions. If you're a DIYer or comfortable with basic plumbing tasks, it won't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable bidet solution for the whole family. Skip this one if you're looking for something extremely budget-friendly. Now, if the installation concerns you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Arofa Black Bidet Sprayer. Next is the Arofa Black Bidet Sprayer, which retails for $33.99. Its matte black finish is super sleek and adds a modern touch to any bathroom. If you want something that blends style with functionality, definitely check this out. This sprayer also matches the 1.2 gallons per minute flow rate and adjustable pressure features of the previous model. It's particularly beneficial for anyone who may have limited mobility due to surgery or pregnancy, making bathroom tasks much easier. With around 776 reviews and a 4.6-star rating, it's another crowd favorite. However, some users noted that the black finish can show water spots. Honestly, that's true, but a quick wipe down after use keeps it looking pristine. If you're not fussed about a little maintenance, it's still an excellent choice. This is ideal for you if you love modern design and want a reliable sprayer. Skip it if you want something that requires zero upkeep. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for budget-conscious shoppers. Product number 3, LUFEIDRA Handheld Bidet Sprayer. Now let's look at the LUFEIDRA Handheld Bidet Sprayer priced at just $19.99. This one really stands out for its affordability without skimping on quality. If you're seeking a budget-friendly option that still delivers, this is worth considering. What sets this sprayer apart is its ease of installation. This means you can upgrade your bathroom in under 10 minutes, which is a huge time saver. With over 6,100 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, this product has gained quite the reputation for being user-friendly and effective. But here's the catch. Some users reported that the water pressure wasn't as strong as expected. I'll be real with you, this might be a deal breaker if you prefer a powerful spray. However, for everyday cleaning and gentle use, it gets the job done. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget and need something effective. Skip this one if you want a high-pressure option for heavy cleaning tasks. Now, if you like the price but want something with a little more versatility, the next product is right up your alley. Product number 4, FOO Portable Bidet. Introducing the FOO Portable Bidet, an incredible value at just $8.99. This is perfect for those who travel frequently or need a portable solution. If you want convenience on the go, this might be your ideal pick. It holds up to 15.8 ounces of water, which is enough for a thorough clean without constant refills. Plus, there's no need for batteries, just fill it with water and squeeze. The long-reach nozzle lets you control the direction easily, making it super effective for personal hygiene as well as cleaning during menstruation or postpartum recovery. With around 3,400 reviews and a 4.4-star rating, users appreciate its practicality. However, some found it less durable than expected, especially if used frequently on tough jobs. Honestly, if you're looking for something robust, this might not last as long as you'd hope. This is ideal for you if you travel a lot and need something compact. Skip this if you want a more heavy-duty solution for home use. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more quality for home use, you'll definitely want to hear about my last pick. Product number 5, LUFEIDRA Handheld Toilet Bidet Sprayer. Finally, we have the LUFEIDRA Handheld Toilet Bidet Sprayer set priced at $38.94. This 2-pack option is perfect for families or households needing multiple sprayers. If you want quality at a reasonable price, you should really consider this. Like the others, it features adjustable water pressure and a premium brass T-valve that prevents leaks. This model is also certified for safety and efficiency, which is reassuring. With over 6,100 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, it's clear this product has a loyal following. Some reviewers mentioned it might be slightly more challenging to install compared to others. But honestly, if you're comfortable with DIY projects, it's not a significant issue. Just be prepared to take a bit more time setting it up. This is perfect for you if you have a larger household and want multiple sprayers. Skip this one if you're looking for something extremely simple to install. Alright, that wraps up my top picks for handheld bidet sprayers. To recap, we covered the Arofa handheld bidet sprayers for quality and versatility, the budget-friendly Arofa Black option, the affordable LUFEIDRA handheld bidet, the portable FOOFOO, and the LUFEIDRA 2-pack for families. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so consider what matters most to you before making a choice.